All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So I have never been a person that's been a fan of the camera module things that they sell for phones. I've never been into it, man, and I'm not gonna act like I am now, but I do appreciate Ringke sending these over. They have actually two different kinds. Now, the kind that I do not like is this kind right here, where it actually covers like this entire area. I've tried them before. I don't like them. When you start to put cases and things in and on and off, it actually just doesn't feel right. They make the back of the device look really cheap, and that's just my thing. This is a clear one. They sell them in different colors. They sell all kinds, but Ringke sells these clear ones, and you can also get them to match your device or whatever. But you do get the full kit in here in order to take care of this. But I'm actually going to try this version right here. Now, these I am interested in because they are individuals. These are individuals. So unlike this one piece, this is one big thick piece of glass. You see that, or plastic with the thing on there? This one, this is a one pack. And there's a reason, because this one you get the individual rings. So this right here is actually just a holder to actually line it up for you on your camera lens. That is what this is about. So this one, I'm definitely going to try it out, because it's going to be each individual camera ring protecting my phone right here. See, so this is going to be really nice, because I still get the rest of the device to show or whatever. But let's go ahead, and you can see the instructions right here. Tells you to clean it up nicely, and you place it down. You know what I'm saying? Tells you how to do it. So I'm going to actually really clean this, because I don't want to have any lint. Now, I will say, in the defense of this version right here, as long as you clean your lens, your pictures are going to be the same. Your video is going to be the same. It's going to be the same. You won't have any problems. Now, I had the skin going around the ring there, but I'll put it back on afterwards. I want you to really focus on the rings right here. You want to make sure you genuinely get all of this nice and clean, folks. You don't want to have any lint in there, because then you will see it on your photos and video. It's going to show up. So I've done that before with this other one, and I'm just not a fan of it. So I always clean it like really, really good, make sure I got it off, and then I get the big dog cleaning rag out. And I kind of wish they had the lint removal thing in here too. That would be really nice. So that's fairly clean. And I'm going to go ahead and put this one on. Again, no disrespect to this one, I just don't prefer it. So you want to make sure you line this up. And then when you line this up, it's going to line up the rings, and then all this whole frame will come off. So immediately you put it on there. You can see how it goes. And then there they are. The rings are on the camera now. See, it's gone. And then each ring is actually around the camera housing. You see that right there? See the rings around the camera housing? So that is the way I like to have. I just think this looks more natural. It doesn't even look like they're there. But this one right here, when you do it, you can clearly see that, you know what I'm saying? Like there's something on there. This is the one, folks. I really like these. I'm going to have these. I'll put both of these in the description so you can choose which one you want. But I prefer this version because I get the separation. You know what I mean? Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, this is just better. And then what I'm going to do at the end of this video, I'll post some photos. I'll take some photos right here just to show you. I'll use the rear cameras or whatever, and I'll show you that it's nice and clear, because some people might worry that it's not going to come across clear with your video and your photos and everything. And then remember, I have this is a skin that I'm testing for Sophie Guard. I could have left this on, but I want to take it off. Let me see if I can. I don't know if I'll be able to get it back on, if I can or not. But nonetheless, it'll go back over like that, so it can be protected. I probably should have left it on there. That's what I should have done. But nonetheless, I'm fine with it like this. It looks really sweet, and you cannot even really tell that there's a camera lens protector on there, just barely. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the camera real quick, and you can see here, I'll be able to show you just a little bit right here. It is super clear, but I'm going to go ahead and put this video right here at the end of this video that you're watching right now to show you that it's really clear. And then photos, everything comes out great. Everything works exactly the same. So when I saw that they had this version available, I was ready. I was like, yeah, you know what? This is going to be a major win right here. And I don't think they're going to come off anytime soon, because the camera bumps already stick out a lot already. So you're not missing out on anything. And the fact is, this is just the better of the two. Ringke's not the only one to produce this version right here. Again, this version to me just looks cheap. This looks natural. It's boss mode. You can't even tell they're there, and you get super clear video and photos too. So it's your man Jay, but I'm gonna still leave both down below because I rock with Ringke like that. There's gonna be some people that say, I want my entire lens back covered, and then you are those people that are gonna go with this version. You understand what I'm saying? So it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hit the links down below. But for now, finish this video off and look at the footage I'm about to show you from these same cameras. All right, so here's a video sample with the lens covers, these on. Again, these will work the same as far as clarity goes. In the video, I did say that I wish there was some dust removals in there. My bad, they were right there in the box. So take note of that. You do get the dust removal stickers in there. But this is just a quick sample to let you know that this is freaking clear. All your lenses, everything is gonna work just fine. You can see I hit the 2x zoom, now the 3x zoom. Everything is good, folks. Everything is fine. It's your man Jay. I'm out.